But now the politicians them are gonna start get donation. Me hear Marky G say, you can't trust the labor right them and send them all that money. Want to wait over here.
But I don't think we should restrict this whole relief to one channel.
You have to pray for the leaders of Jamaica. Pray for Andrew Holness. Pray for the opposition party. Help them to work together. Help them to be transparent with the money where they might get. The PMP needs some too. So he must say the people them for start donate to some organization that the PMP would set up.
The People's National Party and fundraising and so on. So we have the capacity to receive financial contributions locally and from overseas.
So really and truly, government officials want money to divide amongst each other for their constituency. I believe that is what Marky G is saying. Marky G was saying that each of the MPs them should get a certain allocated amount to look after them jurisdiction.
CDF as normally allocated. It's not disaster relief funding. It is to help in the constituencies to make life a little easier for people who need help. With the scale of what we're facing, the existing allocation of 20 million cannot be even considered as a response. There needs to be special funding using the resources that have been made available from Jamaica's disaster relief financing structure and any additional resources that we are able to garner from the goodwill that Jamaica enjoys, which is significant across the world, to empower those entities, those people who are in a position to reach those who need help. And it can't be the CDF that's the answer to that.
But I know so it normally work. Isn't it the people them in a power that make the decision on where to distribute the funds?
And here we are today in 2025, where the opposition leader, yes, feels confident enough to demand that the administration of the day should give every member of parliament $50 million, $3.5 billion.
But a lot of people don't really trust the government as far as collecting all those billions of dollars. Because a lot of work, a whole heap of rebuilding left. We're talking about rebuilding the roads. We know so the government them are going to rebuild the roads. As far as money making it trickling down to the people them to rebuild them structure. Cha-cha, I don't know. And we have a major problem in those areas. The houses are flattened, and most of those houses that are on the ground are made out of wooden structure. The Fuse was saying this morning that we need to build back better for a long-term solution to the housing problem that we see in those areas. So his suggestion was that immediately the people them can build back them wooden structure, but have a long-term plan to build brick structures. We're talking about the walls and also slabbing the roof. So when you have any category 5 or category 4 hurricane coming into the island, your house now go blow down. You're gonna have damages around, but your house now go blow down, and you're not gonna be look on outside there. It look like a war zone, look like a 80 the people them there. When you see over 80 or over 80 look, I see them where's a St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland and certain parts of Trelawney look, just like down at 80, It's gonna take billions of US dollars to rebuild those areas. Downtown Black River, the entire place need to be demolished and rebuilt from scratch. There's going to be a lot of investors, so I don't think the government is going to be responsible for rebuilding all that down at Black River. Whoever owned them the building there, hopefully them have insurance, or them have to just sell out to the bigger investors them coming in for little or nothing, and then they can take it from there and build back better. Yeah, so I see there's a lot of people out there collecting monetary donation. Listen, in a disaster, people are going to take money. But what you going to do? You have to just close your eye and donate. That's the best that you can do. You have to just close your eyes and donate. Them say thief no love to see thief with long bag. And trust me, there's going to be billions of dollars coming into the government. And we just have to trust and believe and keep our fingers crossed that at least 50% to 65% will actually reach to the people then. Yeah? And if you are a private citizen and you have a construction company, try get some of them government contracts there for go build back the roads and build back the bridges and them thing there, because it's gonna be a lot. And I'm pretty sure that the government will be giving out cash grants for people who are affected to help rebuild their homes. Yeah? Cha-cha. Wanna save up? Boy, I don't even know when them people are going to start work again. Where them are going to get money from for save, for build? Boy, it's tough, it's rough. Them need materials, because a lot of those materials and those woods, I can't use them again. Them need nail, them need hammer, them need materials. And for the long term, listen, for St. Elizabeth and Black River to come back to any form of normalcy, it's going to take at least a year. I would say at least a year for us to start seeing all them structures, at least the homes, coming back together and people coming out of the elements. That's how long it's going to take. And as far as like swapping those houses for concrete structures, it's going to take longer, because the people, where them are going to get the money from? Where them are going to get the money from? Unless them have people are foreign, we can help them. Yeah, man. It's a tough road ahead. It's a tough road ahead for Jamaica. Tough road ahead for Jamaica. We just have to continue praying. We have to pray for the leaders of Jamaica. We have to pray for the leaders of Jamaica. Pray for Andrew Holness. Pray for the opposition party. Help them to work together. Help them to be transparent with the money where they might get. Help them. Help them to pray for them so they can redistribute the money evenly to the people them. Distribute the food and the items evenly to the people them, not based on political parties. Not based on political parties. Cha-cha. It's rough. So who would you trust? The opposition leader for send them on the money? Or the Jamaica Labour Party, the party in charge right now, for send them on the money? Well, right now, Andrew Holness is not playing politics. He's busy working, trying to get Jamaica back at hand, because the Jamaican economy has been crippled. There's people in Montego Bay at the bank can't get no money out of the bank. There are long lines at the gas stations. People can't get no gas. You have to secure Kingston, you have to secure St. Andrew, you have to secure all of the parishes that were not affected by the hurricane. It's a lot of work. I wouldn't want to be in his shoes, because the criticism is going to come if him do this, him can't do nothing right. Him cannot do anything right. Yeah, they're going to be forming committees, I believe them say, coming up, like a oversight watchdog committee, and I guess get advice from people to see how to move forward, because this is going to be a long-term fix. We're going to see a mass, you see the crime, let's touch on that in another video.